Yeah, welcome back to our video. Today we're playing this game. And we're on Xbox, okay? I'm escaping. Where are you?
Wait.
Oh, you already escaped? I'm coming. You're ahead.
No, I almost started. Okay, come on. I'm still waiting for you, okay?
You're already there?
Yeah. I just put the button.
What button? Oh, that button.
Okay. I got it.
Let me call.
I'm up here. Come on.
So we're doing like another game. No, not a prison game I was playing. Okay. In the last video I told you I'm going to make about this game next time. And here you go.
Next time we go make hard. Come on, you get a shortcut or something?
Bulb it up.
Push,
I'm going to get this ladder. Put it here. Now let's escape.
Where are you? Is this ladder?
Yeah, get it. Click on it.
Wait.
Like you got the chair or table. Okay, now put it over here. Over here.
Yeah?
Yes. Now, try to climb on it.
No! Can you help me
Okay, wait.
Go down.
You got it.
Come on,
I'm right behind you. Ned sleeping.
Yes.
Okay, Bira. Go! You gotta go.
You have to do
Just go. Okay, follow my lead. Okay, just run. Just run and try to find the key.
Can you get the key for me?
I can't. We can't.
You can make sure I can, somehow.
Key's over there. Go get that key and die, and then we'll do this again. Get this key. Did you get the key?
Yes.
Show me. Wait. Do you have something in your inventory?
Wait, how to get it? Okay.
Ready? Follow me. Follow me. Get your key out. Oh, yes! Get that? And lid here. Okay, ready? Go. I just jumped over my sister. Okay, Mira. You made it. Wait, I was close.
I'm going behind.
Wait, actually, wait.
Fine. I'll actually put that down. Oh. Come on.
Let's go.
Okay. Push. Ha!
Climb this. And we gotta leave through.
I fell out. So
Waiting for ya. Now click this thing. Ready? Ready?
Yay!
Now jump up. You made it. Now do this. Just keep on jumping. You know what to do. Just keep on going on those things. I'll be waiting for you here.
Yay!
She's actually laughing.
The biggest one is making me dead.
Get all that again?
I got the biggest one. You know the smaller? Oh! No.
What do you mean?
Yell. It does have Danny.
Finally. Okay, now hit the soccer thingy.
Yay!
Make a score.
Come on, I did it.
Okay. Follow me. Ready? see the bathroom? You see that? Open, go to there. Now, open it. Bro. 4.
Where?
Hit that target up there. I hit it.
I did it. Oh, could you
Okay, we are dodge the lasers for this one. Ready? Get up. When you get on this fan, look up. Dodge the red thing. Look up. Dodge those red net beams. You doing good?
I died. Because last one I died.
Let's go.
Okay, guys. Let's go, guys.
Let's go. Okay. Where are you?
Guys, it's a racing point. Tell the racing point here. I need to help. Guys, as you see, my brother changed his username to Central Bot.
Oh, I'll be right. You gotta be speedy. Click on this button.
Okay, you don't have to help me.
Okay.
It's a race.
With the flippers! That dumb, stupid thing.
It's a race.
Okay, Jeff. Gotta keep on going.
Now I only have to be speedy.
Cause these are actually big jumps. You're actually doing good.
That's it.
Keep on coming. I'll be waiting for you.
I'm still being speedy.
What type of school is this? Dang it.
Yeah, what type of school is it? They made us do obstacle course.
Of course.
Can you help me?
Oh wait, I'm almost done. This is pretty long.
How much is it supposed to do?
Just keep on running fast.
I'm doing it.
Get on the things. Do the objective. What do you mean? Okay guys, I completed this, okay? It took me a long time.
Here, how do you finish race?
Just race him. Just try.
You don't have to. Yeah, wait.
Get in the cart. Come down. Come down. Get in the cart and just move forward. Don't look at it. Let's look by something here. Okay. You gotta go. Wait, wait, what? Don't try to go on the speeding thing. You have this thing. I'm already ahead.
I can see it.
No, because that's speed. You're ahead.
Keep up me. Hi.
Wait,
You have to do that.
climb this up. Keep on going, keep on jumping. Oh, it's a ladder. This is like a ladder. Just go up. No, don't jump. Oh, that's actually cool. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, go.
What's going on?
Dang it.
Can you help me?
Some idiot people already. Just go up. You can climb that thing like a ladder. This is a ladder.
I did it.
Okay, ready?
Go!
Just watch out. You're down there again.
Guys, my first time playing this, so don't get mad at me.
Okay, I'm waiting actually. We're waiting for you. Chill, I'll do the boss. Ready? It will be different, okay? It will be different. But all you gotta do is shoot him. Yeah. Okay, that's so guys, we have to right here. How do you feel? So, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel. She does amazing content just like me. I do better. Amira, here, go to the door. Did it say, is it YouTube?
Can you do any color?
Okay. Can you see my path?
How can I do? Oh, purple. What does purple do?
Go to purple. Go.
Oh, I did purple. I did it.
You have something?
Purple.
Look, jump, and you have the thing in your inventory, right?
I don't have purple.
It might be something else. We also have speed pack. I'm gonna try something. Not being that guy. Ready? Ready?
Where's speed pack? Blue or red?
What do you mean? They are now.
So where's speed pack? Yellow?
Yeah.
Oh, look at me, head going crazy. Look how far we jump.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the video.
This is the end of the video. Like it, subscribe, and Bye.
So this is the end of the video. I'll see more subscribers. Like, that was it. You guys say bye.